Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video in the View into House world. And today, as you can see, we got the wireless charger duo in the building, people. I ordered this last night, right? And it came today. I was very surprised that it came. I was hoping when they text me that it was for the Galaxy Watch. I ordered that last night as well, 2 of them. The Galaxy Note was already ordered some time ago. But yeah, we got one of the pre-orders in the building right now. We're going to do a review on it. But I want to thank Samsung for bringing about such an awesome device. We've been needing one of these for a very long time. Apple has been ahead of the game in this for quite some time. Finally, we got one. I'm hoping that other third parties or other manufacturers start to take cue to this and start to create more, so therefore we have more options and more choices and probably better prices to choose from. But right now, this is definitely a great start. Samsung, thank you. I'm gonna give you kudos for this one. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get started with the unboxing. That's a pretty quick unboxing, right? All right, let's take a look at it. Okay, we got, the box probably comes with the charging brick. This is the pad. It looks nice, you all. Let's get this plastic off of here really quick. Now that we got it all unboxed and unwrapped, I know you want to know what came in the other box. Now, what came in the other box is going to be a quick starting guide, which I recommend you don't throw away. Also, you're going to get a USB Type-C charging cord, and also you're going to get a massive charging brick, which you need in order to power the device. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out the unit. Now, I like this, right? Fast charge, I'm familiar with it. I've got one like it. This is different. This came out last year. This served me well all year. And you also get fast charge here. Now, remember, if you got a Qi wireless charging device, this will work for those, which I thought was super cool. And let's take a look at it. Okay, looks nice. Feels very light in the hand. I like this look. Now, this is where you charge it at. That's USB Type-C, which is cool. I'm glad they went that route. And also, these are your vents. Okay, now what this is going to do is help keep your device cool, right? So therefore, it doesn't overheat while it's fast charging, which was smart on Samsung's part. Thought that was pretty cool. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to plug up the device so we can show you how this actually works. Okay, you all, we got it all powered up. It's plugged up. It's ready to go. And let's go ahead. Let's check this out. We're going to use the Galaxy Note 8 first. Put that right on there. Charged up right away. Let's check this out in landscape. Right on. Now you see how this LED came on. I think you got 3 colors. You got red, yellow, and green. And of course, green is when it's fully charged. So you'll always know when it's fully charged. The red is pretty much going to let you know that it's charging. Okay, so let's stand this up. We want to check out the Galaxy, well, not the Galaxy, the Gear S3. Now, this one takes a little second as well, but it does work. All right, you see it charging? Not a bad deal. Now, with this one, this is what charges it, the center ring, right? Not the outer ring, the center. So if you're going to charge another smartphone, it has to be dead center in order for it to work. Okay, so it charges up, it starts up really fast, not a bad deal. And this light comes on for that charger, as you see. And again, this one comes on for this one, and it's charging. So I'm going to show you what's going to happen when you take it and you don't put it on all the way. Like right there, just at the tip. It's not going to work. It's not going to charge. It's not going to come on. You're going to get up and you're going to be upset. So if you're going to use this one for your smartphone, dead center, wait till the light comes on, the little battery symbol, and you're good to go. I think this is an awesome unit. I'm glad Samsung brought this about. Also, I wish third party take cues to this and start creating some different and unique wearable and also smartphone charging docks. We need more of them, different ones. This one here is nice. It's a beginning. It's a start. I'm going to give kudos to Samsung for bringing this out. Thank you, Samsung. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Now, I got this from Best Buy, but you can also get this off of Amazon. I'm going to leave the link for both of them, so therefore you can go ahead, check it out. I only paid $119 for this, and I'm telling you, this unit is worth it. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.